Hello dear students, welcome to the online classes of PG Senior Secondary School Chapter English. Today I am going to solve question 7 of exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 question 7. Question is, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. Now, how many like tennis only? How many like tennis only? And not cricket. And how many like tennis? First, you suppose here solution. Let A be the set of people who like cricket and B be the set of people who like tennis. Here two games are there, 40 like cricket and some person like tennis. Two games are there. First, let us suppose let A be the set of people who like cricket and B be the set of people who like tennis. It is given that in a group of 65 people, total people are 65. Total means collection of two sets. It's called union, means coordinate number of A union B is given 65. Second, 40 like cricket. Cricket represented by set A here. Cricket represented by set A means coordinate number of A equal to 40. Means 40 people who like cricket, and we need to find 10 like both cricketer, tennis. This means coordinate number of A intersection B equal to 10. Both means what? Combined. The people who like both cricket and tennis means intersection. Coordinate number of A intersection B is equal to 10 is given, and we need to find first case how many like tennis only but not cricket. Tennis only means we need to find coordinate number of B difference A. What is difference of two sets? B difference A means the people who like tennis only but not cricket. This results we need to find here. And second question, how many like tennis? Tennis represented by set B. Coordinate number of B we also need to find. Now, earlier we know about what is the coordinate number of A union B. Coordinate number of first one we know that right here we know that A union coordinate number of A union B is equal to coordinate number of A plus coordinate number of B minus coordinate number of A intersection B. Now, coordinate number of A intersection B is given. In place of coordinate number of A union B, we write 65. Now, second, coordinate number of A is given 40 in question. In place of coordinate number of A, we write 40 plus coordinate number of B is not given. You need to find it, leave it, minus coordinate number of intersection B is also given. Coordinate number of intersection B equal to 10. In place of coordinate number of intersection B, we write 10. Now 40 minus 10 equal to 30 plus coordinate number of B, this is equal to 65. Now we transpose 30 in left hand side. Then we write here 65 minus 30 equal to coordinate number of B means 65 minus 30 is equal to 35 is equal to coordinate number of B. So this result gives that the people who like tennis is 35. Now therefore the people who like tennis is 35. Now, second, we need to find coordinate number of b difference A. Earlier again we know about this formula. Since coordinate number of b difference A equal to coordinate number of b minus coordinate number of intersection b. Coordinate number of b we find here earlier 35. In place of this we write 35 minus coordinate number of intersection b even 10. 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. Means coordinate number of b difference A equal to 25. This shows that the people who like tennis but not cricket is 25. Thus, the people who like tennis but not cricket is 25. Now, we can understand this question using Venn diagram. Very easy. Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram, we write universal set by using rectangle. This is universal set rectangle and its subset that is A and B represented by circle within this rectangle. So this A means this set whole set represent the people who like cricket, and this B whole set is the people who like tennis, and this region is given the people who like both cricket and tennis. So this is given common between A and B is 10. So this is represented by here 10. Among 10 people like both, and 10 is given 40 is given coordinate number of A means 40 people who like cricket. Among 40, 10 people are written here. Remaining 30 means 30 people who like only cricket but not tennis. Similarly, and coordinate number of A will be 65 is given. Coordinate number of A intersection B is 35 is given. Out of 65, 30 people like only cricket but not tennis, and 10 people like both cricket and tennis. How many people who like only tennis? About 65 minus 30 plus 10. 65 minus 40 is equal to 30. 40 is equal to 25. 25 means 25 people who like only what? 25 people who like only tennis means this region but not cricket. Clear? This here coordinate number B intersection A is 25 and coordinate number of A intersection B is 30 and coordinate number of A intersection B is 10 here. First means the people who like tennis but not cricket is 25, and from here we also observed 25 people who like what? 25 people who like both, who like only tennis. And if you add here total set A, is this total set B. Total set B means what? B means 10 plus 20. तो कार्डियन नंबर ऑफ B equal to 10 plus 25 equal to 35. 35 is what? 35 is equal to cardian number of B is the people who like tennis. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.